Welcome to Automotive Era 2025. Today we discuss about Audi RS4, but first of all, don't forget to subscribe. The 2025 Audi RS4 features an aggressive and aerodynamic design, blending sportiness with premium styling. Front design. Wider single-frame grille, gloss black honeycomb grille with RS badging. Larger air intakes. Improved airflow for cooling and performance. LED matrix headlights. Optional laser light technology for enhanced visibility. A sculpted hood gives the RS4 a more muscular stance. Side profile. Bared wheel arches wider stance for a sportier look. The sporty side skirt enhances aerodynamics. Lightweight alloy wheels. Standard 19-inch RS design wheels. 03 20-inch Audi Sport wheels in gloss, blacker titanium finish. Performance brakes. Red or black RS brake calipers for a bold appearance. Optional carbon ceramic brakes for high-performance stopping power. Rear design. A sporty rear diffuser, more aggressive styling with honeycomb detailing. Dual oval exhaust tips, signature RS Sport exhaust system with a deep laid taillights with dynamic indicators, sleek and futuristic design. Optional carbon fiber spoiler, reduces lift and enhances aerodynamics. Color options, expected, classic RER colors, Nardo gray, Mythos black, Navarra blue, Glacier white, exclusive colors, Kailami green, Tango red, Daytona gray pearl, glass black elements on mirrors, grille and trim for a stealthy look, aerodynamics and performance enhancements, optimized airflow, redesigned front bumper for better cooling and downforce, lowered RS suspension, improved stance and handling, optional carbon fiber exterior pack, lighter weight for better performance. 2025 Audi RS4 interior design and features. The 2025 Audi RS4 features a driver seat-packed cockpit with premium materials, sporty elements, and cutting-edge technology. RS-specific interior, sporty yet luxurious design with high-quality finishes. Driver-centric cockpit. All controls are positioned for easy access. Premium materials, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine Napa leather throughout. Seating and comfort. Our sport seat. Standard, fine Napa leather with contrast stitching. Optional honeycomb massage RS seats with ventilation and massage function. RS, embossing on headrests for an exclusive touch. Spacious enough for passengers. Split folding function for extra cargo space. Dashboard and technology. 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus RS specific display. Customizable digital instrument cluster. Displays performance data, lap times, and G-force meters. 10.1-inch MAI touchscreen display. Supports wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. ORS performance menu for real-time engine and suspension data. Shows speed, navigation, and driver alerts on the windshield. Steering wheel and RS flat-bottom steering wheel. Via Audi Drive Select. Select to audio. modes, comfort, auto, dynamic, RS1 and RS2. Sound and entertainment. Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system. Optional. Ambient lighting. Customizable 30-color LED interior lighting. ORS exclusive pulsating red effect during drive mode. Changes. Additional features. Carbon fiber and aluminum trim adds a race-inspired. A panoramic sunroof lets in more natural light. Wireless charging pad and USB-C ports for convenient charging. 2025 Audi RS4 engine and performance. The 2025 Audi RS4 is built for high performance, combining raw power, quattro AWD, and advanced engineering to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Engine specification: engine type 2.9-liter twin turbocharged V6. Power output: tilt to 444 HPS, torque 442 LFF tank. Turbo 8-speed Tiptronic automatic. Drivetrain: quattro all-wheel drive AWD with sport differential. Performance and acceleration: 0.60 pm tilde 3.9 seconds. Speed 155, electronically limited. Optional RS dynamic package raises top speed to 174 mph. Fuel economy estimated 24-27 mpg combined. 2025 Audi RS4 wheels and tires. The 2025 Audi RS4 offers a range of high-performance wheels designed for speed, stability, and style. Optional upgraded wheels: 20-inch Audi Sport wheels, lightweight forged aluminum. They're 275/30 R20 ultra high-performance tires. 2025 Audi RS4 windows and glass features. The 2025 Audi RS4 features advanced window and glass technology to enhance aerodynamics, comfort, and safety. Standard window features: acoustic insulated glass, reduces road and wind noise for a quieter cabin. UV-resistant coating, protects against harmful sun rays and keeps the interior cooler. Electrically operated windows, one thug up/down function for convenience. Trunk space: tilde 13 cubic feet, 368 liters. Trunk features: a power tailgate. R-specific cargo organizer helps keep luggage and gear secure. As of February 2025, Audi has not officially announced the 2025 RS4 for the US market. Historically, the RS4 Avant wagon has been more prevalent in European markets with limited availability in the United States. In markets where the RS4 is available, such as Australia, the 2025 Audi RS4 Avant is priced at AUD 1650, 15 USD 100,000. Given this, if the RS4 were to be introduced in the US, it would likely be priced between $80,000 to $100,000, positioning it above the S4 and below the RS7. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's advisable to contact an authorized Audi dealership or visit Audi's official US website.